The Hastings Farmers Market project started a year ago. I attended an OSU extension workshop in the fall, and we talked about the idea of the farmers market. And I came back from that workshop, I talked to the kids about it, and they would not let it go. They wanted to be a part of a farmers market, be able to use our Hastings garden and build and sell things to the community and give back to the garden and future farmers markets. So this is our second annual Hastings Farmers Market. And this year we have opened it up into the entire school, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
I am part of the planning team. We do all the behind the scenes, like all the finance, like how much we need to spend on each group, like where the actual thing is going to be.
We choose what we want to sell, something that we think would sell well and we would have fun making, and I decided to make little 3D printed toys and fidgets to sell.
My group, we're doing plants and we're growing like seedlings and stuff. I'm proud of our plants because they're doing really good.
I just think it's cool to learn what makes a good product, how to price them at a good price, and how to present them well.
It's really fun to work together in a group and make something that you can give out to the community.
I'm excited because I get to be the behind. I'm like the wall that keeps everything up.
They're communicating, they're working in groups, they have to make some decisions, they have to collaborate. Skills that they've already learned in school, they're just now applying to real world type of scenarios. So it's been pretty fun to watch. I hope to continue to inspire kids to new roles that they haven't even thought of for their future. And then obviously to see the farmers market grow.